In this video, I'm going to adjust the handbrake in this Land Rover Freelander 2. First thing to do is at the rear of the console that the handbrake lever is in, we are going to remove this little tray and we are going to slacken off this nut here, which means that the handbrake is not acting on the handbrake shoes on the back. So that's very important you do that first. Next, we're going to jack up the car and we're going to get an axle stand underneath it. And next, we are going to remove the wheel. Now we're going to remove this little cover, which usually just comes out by hand. And we're going to rotate the drum around so that you can draw a line between the centre of the hub nut here and the bottom of the caliper slider. So we're going from here to here to here. If you look inside there, you will see your star adjuster. And using a flat-headed screwdriver, we are going to turn this one, the one on the passenger side, will move forwards towards the front of the car to tighten the drum. So we're going to just turn that until the drum just tightens up, and then we're just going to back it off ever so slightly. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so that's a good drag on that there now. So I'm going to back that off ever so slightly now. It's a little bit fiddly, but okay, that's pretty good at that. After you've adjusted everything there, just put the little plastic cover back on the access hole and stick the wheel back on. And now we're going to go inside the car. And that's now where we adjust this nut if necessary. What we're aiming for here is the handbrake to be on in about 3 clicks. It actually pretty much is like that now, so we're not going to do anything more with that. If it wasn't, or if it was coming up out of the floor, at that point, you can adjust this. Now, here's my bugbear. The customer's mechanic told her that the cables were out of adjustment and that there was no more adjustment to be had on them. If that were the case, there would be no threads left on that rod that you're tightening the nut down on. It's not even slightly the case. It was just a case where he probably tried to tighten the handbrake without running in the drums, and they were probably out of there was probably no more travel left on the mechanism inside the drum, because the one on the left particularly was very, very bad. So that's why you start at the drums before you start adjusting the handbrake cable. The handbrake cable is the last thing you adjust. So anyway, that's all good. So now we're going to put the car back down onto its wheels and we're going to see how well that handbrake holds. And there we have it. The handbrake is working absolutely perfectly and the car is holding, it's not rolling down my driveway. So happy days, that's a win. So for more tips and tricks like that, please do hit the subscribe button before you go, and I will see you in a future video. Thank you for watching.